it. Balik kay Viernes, 7 seconds to shoot. Nakawala si Jeff Viernes!
So smooth with his penetrations. Jeff Viernes eluding his defense and showing everybody.
31 to 30. Nakapigat sa likod si Ortuste. Here comes Bragais, one-on-one. Good this. Viernes finishing off the other end.
And Bragais is making things happen for Batangas.
So that time, coach, in transition, Bragais made the right decision.
Yes.
And communication, yan ang sinisigaw dito ni Coach Goldwyn dito sa kanyang Batangas team. And so far, they've been doing very well here in the third quarter. That time, it's Jeff Viernes, just too good on offense.
Yes. Uncontrolled in that possession, but was able to gather.
Again, that one short.
Layo na talaga. No?
Kala ko papasok pa eh. Melano finding Viernes. Viernes getting patient and banking that one in.
Hindi madali yung tira na yun. Yung binitawan ni Jeff Viernes with the defender all over him. He was still able to make that shot.
So far we're having, coach.
Yes.
Talagang palitan ng mukha, palitan ng lamang. Viernes. Oh, what a shot by Jeff Viernes.
Jimmy Butler. Kita mo ba yun?
Going to the right, fading away.
Ganun.
No go. Rebound to Santos. And quickly the other way goes Viernes. The bounce to Santos. The connection for Batangas leads to 2 points.
What a pass! Jeff Viernes. Ang ganda nun.
And that was in transition for Jeff. Here, Jeff Viernes will look to work against Yusei Koga. Viernes pull-up jumper. Oh, a cold-blooded three-pointer coming from Jeff Viernes. Koga hindi makakabawi. And here comes Batangas. They have the 3-point lead. Melano, the finish.
And just like that, Batangas goes to a 5-point lead.
A minute left in the ball game, and the crowd here in Batangas, the fans are feeling it.
Yes, and Jeff Viernes is taking control of the game.
Jeff against Ortuste. Viernes floats one up, and in!
Just showing everybody who Jeff Viernes is. Even